Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rename a portfolio in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we have to go into portfolios. Then we have to tap on the portfolio that we want to rename. And then in the top right corner, we find three little dots. We tap on those. And then at the bottom, we find rename portfolio. If we tap on this, then we can rename the portfolio from the current name to another. Let's say portfolio for videos, and then tap on done. And the portfolio name is going to be changed to the one that we have wanted to change it to. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.